Hello friends, welcome again in my channel Learn with Anu. Today in this video, we will learn de Broglie's concept of duality. We will start with the introduction. De Broglie's theory is the one of the most fundamental theories which gives a direction to quantum mechanics from classical physics. It describes the dual nature of matter, that is, a matter can behave like both particle and wave. In 1924, a French physicist, Louis de Broglie, gave the proposal about the wave nature of the particle. It was observed that the electron, which we usually think of as a particle, may be in some situation behave like a wave. Now we will learn the electron waves and the de Broglie's theory. If a particle acts as a wave, it should have a wavelength and a frequency. According to de Broglie's theory, free particle with rest mass m moving with non-relativistic speed v should have a wavelength related to its momentum p equal to mv in exactly the same way as for a photon as expressed by the equation L equal to h upon p, that is equal to h upon mv, where L is the de Broglie's wavelength of a particle, h is the Planck's constant, p is the particle's momentum, m is the particle's mass, and v is the particle's speed. If the particle's speed is an appreciable fraction of the speed of light c, we replace mv in the equation with gamma mv equal to mv oblique square root 1 minus v square oblique c square. The frequency f, according to de Broglie, is also related to the particle's energy E in exactly the same way as for a photon, E equal to hf, where E is the energy of the particle, h is the Planck's constant, and f is the frequency. If you like this video, please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel Learn with Anu. Thank you.